Hello there. Today we're going to take a look at the 5 best 10-inch tablets under $300 in the market for this year. First, we're going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a 10-inch tablet under $300. We'll put the links to all of the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. Lenovo Tab M10. The Lenovo Tab M10 is a lower middle class tablet with a 10.1-inch full HD screen and almost pure 8.1 Oreo. Its internal hardware is almost identical to the much pricier Samsung Galaxy Tab A. 10.5 and Lenovo Tab P10, but this one also has fewer features. I think the overall value is not bad, especially when you can get it all under $200 US. I can recommend it if you don't want to spend a lot of money and want a tablet with almost vanilla Android. Again, that's a major highlight and something no direct competitor is offering. One of its major highlights is almost pure Android 8.1 Oreo. However, the battery life, speakers, and camera are pretty weak. Luckily, it's very affordable. Number 4. Dragon Touch K10. This tablet comes equipped with the latest Android 9.0 Pie operating system. This operating system will allow the users to bypass advertisements that give you full control over the Google Play Store. The battery life on this Android tablet will last a whole 6 hours before requiring the micro USB plug to charge. The Dragon Touch K10 is on our list of best 10-inch tablets under $300 because it really is worth it. The Dragon Touch Notepad K10 is a budget tablet stacked with good features. Stream all your favorite movies, TV, or play games on the 10-inch screen size. And rest assured that there'll be no lag thanks to the quad-core processor. This is a great tablet because it has the latest Android operating system for a great price. Number 3. VANKYO MatrixPad S10. VANKYO MatrixPad S10 is the upgrade version of MatrixPad Z4. While it is faster than the previous generation, it features a 10-inch tablet HD display, 2GB of RAM, 32GB of ROM, expandable up to 128GB, quad-core processor, Android 9.0 Pie OS, dual cameras, 8 megapixels back camera, Wi-Fi, FM, GPS, and what's more, it's featured in the read mode, which you can enjoy immersive reading in black and white. Complete tasks, enjoy movies on the go, watch online recipes or drama on Facebook, read ebooks, play light games, or use offline Google Maps outdoors. Make your day joyful and convenient. With Google Play already on, you have full access to download any desired applications. Put on Android game apps or music apps from Google Play Store straight into your MatrixPad S10 Android tablet is easy. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Tab A7. Android tablets have a tough time competing at the high end. iPads more or less single-handedly dominate that space. But if you're looking to spend a couple $100 on something to watch Netflix in bed, you're probably not shopping Apple. You're probably looking for something like Samsung's latest budget tablet, the Galaxy Tab A7. It's cheap, it's got a nice screen and speakers, and the battery lasts for days. There's not a lot to dislike here. Its 10.4-inch screen is also a very comfortable size for reading without feeling unwieldy, the way something like a 12.9-inch iPad can. If you've been on the fence about grabbing a Galaxy Tab A7, just pull the trigger. It's a really good budget tablet. Just be sure to pick up a screen protector with it. Number 1. Fire HD 10 tablet. With a decent screen, reasonable speakers, respectable battery life, and enough performance to make it through most activities, the Amazon Fire HD 10 functions well as an everyday tablet. The divisive software experience on board may be a deal breaker for some, however. If the iPad is the hallmark of the premium tablet market, the Amazon Fire is the same at the budget end. Those who buy these devices know exactly what they're getting into, and for this focused subset of consumers, the price is right. And the tablet is better than ever, if unexciting. The Fire HD 10 isn't substantially better than the range has been in previous years, however, it certainly isn't any worse. Now that we showed you the best 10-inch tablets under $300 out there, let's talk about a few things you should look for before buying one. RAM. RAM isn't quite as big a selling point on tablets because of how iOS and Android manage memory. Generally speaking, however, the more you spend, the more RAM you'll get, and on most tablets, you can expect anywhere between 1GB and 4GB of memory. Laptop tablet hybrids and other Windows-based convertible tablets, like the Surface Pro 4, typically offer more memory, sometimes up to 16GB of RAM. More RAM often equates to snappier performance. Storage. Standalone tablets typically come with 8 or 16GB of storage on the low end, and up to 128GB on the high end. Convertible Windows tablets often have storage capacities more in line with typical notebooks, so it isn't unusual to find one with 256GB of storage or more. Some tablets include SD card readers that can allow you to expand your device's storage capacity. entertainment, or productivity. Even though smaller tablets aren't as powerful as regular laptops, their compact size makes them good for simple tasks like checking your email, browsing online, playing games, and streaming online videos. However, if you want your tablet to replace your laptop for tasks like creating long documents or editing photos, you may need an extra screen space and processing power for a larger tablet.